Do you know why you always feel the difference between homemade and street style pani puri? Here I have the key. The key is called Kala Masala. Yes, you may have heard before, but the recipe you will get only on Simplify Your Cooking. Let's start. Hey foodies, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Today's recipe is black masala for pani puri, the secret one. Let's get started. So before jumping to the recipe, let me inform you that we are going to use any simple and small bowl and a spoon for all the measurements. Start with the cumin seeds, and here I am taking 1 ball of cumin seeds. You just have to keep stirring it on lowest flame. You will get some beautiful aroma in your kitchen, and just keep stirring it. And when it's get half done, you have to add the next ingredient, which is coriander seeds, which you have to take half bowl. The same bowl you have to take and roast along with it. Basically, cumin and coriander seeds are for body and aroma in the masala. Now keep the flame on low and roast it till you get the smoke over it. The masala should be darker this way. The coriander seeds will not get changed in color, but look at this. This is amazingly roasted masalas. Look at this. So our cumin is getting darker, and now keep it aside and we will roast our next ingredient, which is peppercorns. So 1/4 bowl of peppercorns and around 6 to 7 red whole chilies. Along with it, you have to add 2 tablespoons or 2 spoons of carom seeds. If you add the carom seeds, now you will get the idea that our other ingredients are very well roasted or not. So at the end of this roasting process, you will get the change in color of carom seeds. Black peppercorns, red chilies and carom seeds will give the pungent flavor to this masala. And now we have our next ingredient, which is dried mint leaves. 1 full bowl. Along with this, we will add 1/4 bowl of black salt and 1/4 bowl of regular salt. So if we talk about dried mint leaves, first get the fresh mint leaves, then just wash them off and remove the stems. Just spread all over the newspaper and keep them just in the shade for 2 to 3 days. You will get properly dried mint leaves. Now we have the question that why we have to roast the salt also, because it has so much moisture in it, so you have to roast the salt too. Mix all them together and just look at this. This is crispy. Now it's time to grind them all together. But before grinding them, add some amazing things in it. Amazing ingredients actually. So first we have to add some magic, which is citric acid, and half bowl of dried mango powder. So the citric acid will give the punch and the dry mango powder will give amazing tangy taste. The masala is not ready yet. We have to add some tablets of Hawa Ban Harde. You can get this Hawa Ban Harde by your any nearest grocery shop. You can use this masala for 6 long months. Keep one thing in mind, that this masala is not for pani puri ka pani. This masala is for final touch. This masala is for, when you make pani puri, just sprinkle it over and just have it. It's so amazing. It will totally change the taste of the pani puri. So make it, try it and enjoy it. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button and please do comment if you have any query. We'll meet you very soon with amazing recipe. Till then, bye bye.